We're happy to have you here, Damien.
I am too, Father.
John was looking at me. Why, though?
I've liked you for so long, Rachel.
No,
and
stop.
and I just didn't know how to
Come
say
on,
it.
buddy.
I mean, I even loved you. I mean, I don't know.
No, you're done.
I'm sorry.
Her hair was all wet. I tell you, it's not right. It's not really a good picture either.
No, I guess not.
Shh,